Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to re-edit a post on Instagram using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Instagram, and an image or video that we have posted to the account, which we will then be re-editing. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to the web browser, which is Safari. In this case, click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to Instagram.com. We can use the shortcut within our bookmarks. Click on this, wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, make sure that you are signed into the account. Go to Profile, locate a post that we wish to re-edit. Go to the top right corner, 3 dots. And now let's click on edit that particular post. And here we have it. This is as if we were posting this for the first time. However, we can now go back in time, access that particular post, and re-edit if we ever needed to, which is a great way to update something that had occurred in the past. The caption can be edited. We can add a location, collaborators, accessibility if we wish to. And then what we can do, if I were to, let's just say, change that to CSV 2025, click on done. That itself now has been changed and edited, as we can see. Command R to refresh the page, go back into the post, and there we have it, edited 9 seconds ago. So we can now quit Safari. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.